Where is unread folder in Outlook? Basically, unread folder consists of those emails which are still not opened, and you will get that unread folder in this folder panel. By default, you won't get that unread folder because you have to create one. So select your email, go to the search folder here, click here. There is an option new search folder, click on it. That will open a new search folder dialog box. Now here, reading mail consists of multiple options. The first one is unread mail. Click on here. The email address is already selected because you have already selected the email address from this folder panel. In case you need to change it, you can click the drop down list. Click OK. And in few seconds, your unread mail folder appears, which consists of all the emails which are not read. And as soon as you click a email, it will turn into read. So that will be removed from this list. If you have learned something from this video, don't forget to like and subscribe this YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.